I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi, Alex here with Genius Brands. This is a company that just a few days ago the algorithm issued a junk rating, a signal precisely on the day that this scam was trading around $12, saying that the share price it was going to collapse, to crash. So we immediately shared this information with users all over the world. You are looking at one of the forms that we utilize, real-time chart, that was then made available on an article on the blog, and in fact we announced this worldwide also on newsfeed. So I'm going to show you what did happen in just 5 trading sessions. I'm going to click here, load new bars, alright, and you are going to see the stock, the share price collapsed at 80% plus, 12 all the way down to $3. Congratulations to everyone. As I've been saying repeatedly for more than 3 decades, 100% accuracy proven in every single asset. Thank you. Bye.